You want to speak English like a native? You have really limited time. You are sitting with this mindset that after watching this video, you will be able to speak English like a pro. You will be able to speak English in just 1 month, in 2 weeks, or it will not gonna happen. Here, we are going to talk about the practical tips that will definitely help you to improve your English. Let's talk without an accent today. Hello everyone, welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. So today I am here to guide you, truly guide you, that if you really want to speak in English, if you really want to talk in English, this is the neutral accent that I'm talking today. I don't want to confuse you guys, and I don't want you guys to feel like, okay, this video is about English learning, but Anna is talking in a really difficult accent and we are not be able to understand that. Okay, so trust me, after watching this video, it's my wish that you learn something that help you to improve your English language journey. So here I'm going to share, according to my experience, that how I learn, how I improve my language without even going to any English center. Basically, it requires at least you can say 8 months or 9 months or 10 months, probably. It depends that how much effort you are putting. Okay, for example, if you are thinking that after watching this 7-minute or 8-minute video you will be able to speak English like a pro, that's not true. It all depends that how much effort you are putting. It all depends that how much serious you are. What is your priority? If speaking English like a pro is your priority and you believe, okay, just by learning English or by improving my English I can get better job opportunities, that can happen. So first of all, before plunging yourself into this scenario that you want to learn something good, you want to learn some language, it's important that you must know why you want to do that. Because when you don't know, you are plunging yourself into the grammatical stuff, you're plunging yourself into the English learning stuff, but you don't know that why you are doing that, you don't know the reason for it, then it is totally useless. Okay, it's useless. So this thing matters a lot, that you must know that why you are learning this language. What is the ultimate goal, ultimate purpose to learn this language? When I started 2 years back, I've had this thought in my mind that, okay, I want to learn this language because that was my passion, learning new languages and plunging myself into language situation. It's actually my, you can say, passion. I love it and I really enjoy learning about new cultures, learning about new languages. I literally love that. So first thing first, understand your why. We can understand this thing, okay, it's a necessity, it's important for us to learn this language, but why? Why we are doing this? This thing matters a lot. Second tip, it's important that you should be consistent. Sometimes if you are doing one practice again and again and again, mostly students in the class ask me this question whenever we are learning grammar, whenever we are doing the stuff, they ask, okay, but tell me about something, tell me something that I can, how can I improve my English? And I'm like, okay, then what am I doing right now? Right? So there are certain steps. Just like if you want to become successful, you can't become successful overnight, right? Unless you are not an overrated TikTok star. So it's important that if you want to become a fluent and sustainable English speaker, so follow the steps. Firstly, you need to improve your basics, then you need to improve your vocabulary, then you need to work on your speaking, then you need to work on your confidence building. You have to follow all of these steps if you want to become an amazing and fluent English speaker. I'm suggesting you that one tip. This is called brain tuning technique. In this technique, very simple. If you think that you don't have, you are pretty much serious about English learning and you don't have time to practice English, then you can do this technique. It's quite simple. You just need to observe your surrounding. After observing your surrounding, you need to select any one object from your surrounding. And I have talked about this technique so many times. Students mostly take this technique for granted and they don't prefer to do this technique. That's why they won't be able to speak English in that much fluent way in a short duration of time. So if you have limited time and you really want to improve your English in just 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I'm not saying, what I'm saying is upgradation, improvement. I'm not saying about the proficiency. I'm not guaranteeing you that you will be able to become a proficient English speaker after 2 weeks. You can, but it depends on how much time you are actually practicing or you are giving to this practice. So after observing your surrounding, you need to select any one object and you need to make 5 descriptive sentences on the benefits of that object in English in your mind, okay? Because it's just like if I ask you who's your favorite singer, okay, you're saying ABC is my favorite singer. Then I can say, okay, ABC is a singer and I love this song, which is, we can say Perfect is a song name. So I love this song. If I listen this song again and again and again, if I listen this song on loop, what will happen? At the end of the day, I end up singing the beats of that song unconsciously because I listen to that song again and again and again. So this thing matters a lot. When your mind will become fluent in English, you will become a fluent English speaker. You don't need to force yourself to speak this language. That's what matters a lot. So what you need to do is, whenever you are sitting, like you have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you want to practice English, just select any one object from your surrounding and start making 5 descriptive sentences on the benefits of that object in English in your mind. That's all. Let's move forward towards next tip. Now, what you need to do is trust yourself and speak up. Don't think, am I speaking it wrong? My grammar is correct? Or hey, tell me, what do you think about technology? So you can say, okay, just to use basic English. You don't need to use so many of the lengthy sentences. Start by making short sentences, but the only way to speak English is to speak up. If you're not speaking and you are just doing writing practice and you're believing, okay, just by doing the writing practice I will be able to speak English, that's not true. To speak English, you have to actually speak up. For example, let me give you an example. Select any random topic. Okay, today I'm going to talk about how teenagers are utilizing technology. Or for example, if I have selected, you can say any topic, for example, why trees are important, deforestation is affecting. Just select any one topic. Stand in front of mirror and start talking. Simple. Every single day, spend at least, if people are saying, okay, spending 2 minutes are enough in mirror practicing, I don't believe that. I believe that almost you need 5 to 10 minutes. Every single day, spend at least 5 to 10 minutes to do mirror practice. Just stand in front of mirror and start talking. Start using the hand gestures and start talking, okay? Don't think, am I speaking it in a correct way? Okay, which one? It's fine to feel stuck. Calm down, talk slowly. This is the best method. If you believe that you feel stuck, talk slowly. Talk in short sentence formation. But speak up, speak up, speak up. Next thing, vocabulary. Vocabulary is really important. I would suggest you to read a book. I will link down some of the books in the description. If you want to get the free PDFs of the books, you can fill out the form which is in the description of this video. You need to provide your Gmail, your full name, and we'll send some free ebooks to you guys so that develop the habit of book reading. Let me tell you the benefits. You can improve your language, or any language you want to, just for example, if you want to improve Spanish language, you want to improve German language, you want to improve Chinese, you want to improve English language, start reading books in that specific language. 1 page is fine, okay? You don't need to overload yourself. Mostly some students are so much exciting to learn language. They can say, okay, we have this task 1, we have this task 2, only we have 2 tasks. And then when I assign them 5 tasks in the class, in the next day they are like, we haven't done the task. They were too much. We felt overwhelmed, right? So start slow. Try to read 1 page every single day. There is a magazine also, British Council Business Magazine, in the description of this video. And if you want the free ebooks, I will send it to you. What you need to do is you just need to fill the form, you need to provide your Gmail, and I'll send it to you, okay? So try to read 1 page. Now, how you need to read a page, let me tell you. Just firstly scan the page, okay, sentence by sentence. Okay, for example, I'm showing you a paragraph here. Just scan it randomly. You don't need to read it, just scan it and just highlight the words. And if you are not comfortable in highlighting, just take a notebook and write down the words that you are not familiar with on your notebook. After doing that, what you need to do is just go to the Cambridge English Dictionary and search their meanings. After searching their meanings, now it's your turn to read the page. You will be able to understand the text in a better way, and by doing this practice you will be able to understand that, okay, the author is utilizing this vocabulary word in this manner, so I can also utilize it in this way. That's all you need to do. Okay, that's how you can improve your vocabulary, your English reading, and also that how can you improve your vocabulary and how can you utilize your vocabulary, right? So these things matters, vocabulary matters, and I told you a short technique to improve your vocabulary and the context in which you can utilize your vocabulary too. Next thing, try to do video recording. Now, what is the importance of video recording? See, in video recording, you need to dress up in a formal way, okay? And just, again, whatever you have done in front of the mirror, now do it in the video recording. Video recording practice will help you to analyze your body language, okay? Like how you're using your hands, because when you are doing mirror talk, later on you will not be able to compare yourself, or you will not be able to judge yourself. Like just like people judge us, it's our turn to judge our personalities. Video record yourself, like 1 minute video or 30-second video, and then watch it. Okay, take a notebook and just note it down. Okay, I believe that my body language is too neutral. I need to work on my body language. I think my expressions are too neutral. I need to work on my expressions, right? So these techniques sounds pretty much easier, but when it comes to utilizing these techniques, then trust me, I'm giving you a challenge of 14 days. If you are doing all of these techniques that I've shared with you according to my experience, that how I learned this language, trust me, after 14 days you will see that your English level will be optimized. It will be upgraded to, you can say, in a startling way, and you will love it. Okay, it's kind of an excavation. By doing all of these practices, you can just become a firm believer that, okay, if I will become consistent for the next 14 days, and I'm implementing all of these habits, because we all have 24 hours. And I believe that, for example, if you want to watch Netflix series, you like a Netflix series, right? And suppose you're watching a season and it has 14 episodes and you have watched it 3. And if you got that thrill, you will be able to manage your time somehow to watch the remaining seasons, right? So it's all the matter of priority. So out of 24 hours, at least you can manage your 1 hour every single day. And the practices that I have discussed with you, it just require 1 hour, not more than that, okay? So my darling students, try to implement all of these practices, and if you want a 7-day or 14 days planner, you can contact us on our Instagram. We can provide you a complete detailed planner, and you can take a challenge with us where we'll provide you the planner so that you can check, okay, you have done the practices or not. And if you will do, I'm repeating, if you will do all of these practices, you will see the visible difference in your English speaking. So if you have this urge to speak like a pro, you could go with. If you like this video, if you have learned something from this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and suggest me some interesting topics or ideas that you want, okay? The next video I'll make according to the ideas that you will give it to me, okay? So tell me in the comment section which part or which technique you want to implement first. Show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner. Bye-bye.